Hey guys, this is Jace and Dad. Welcome to our channel.
As you explore our channel, you will see our family adventures, my curiosities and gaming, some of our family fun activities. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey guys, this is Jace. Today I have another curiosity video. So, what happens if you throw boiling water outside while it's negative 36 degrees Celsius? Well, that's what the temperature is today. Anyways, let's try it out. Now that we're outside, my dad is going to throw the hot water. We'll wait for it. Go! It works! Yeah! Here's how it works. Boiling water is at the point from changing from a liquid to a water vapor. It has the same vapor pressure as the air around it, so it has plenty of surface area to expose a freezing temperature. The large surface area means it's much easier to freeze the water than if it were a liquid ball, like my fist and this other one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.